Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor, and today I'll show you how to get your Microsoft or Bing Ads data into Google Sheets. Before you start, do make sure that you have access to a Bing Ads account and, of course, Google Sheets. Let's get started. As step one, we had to onboard.windsor.ai, and in here, we click on Microsoft Advertising Bing Ads. Then click Grant Microsoft Advertising Access. Select the accounts in the drop-down below, and then step 2, previewing the data. You should see Bing Ads data here. If this is the case, then we had to step 3, installing the Google Sheets add-on and loading the data into Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets, install the plugin, and now when you open a new spreadsheet, in the Extensions tab, you'll see Windsor.ai. The first time you do that, you need to click on Login. Once you're logged in with your API key, which you can find down here, if you open the menu here again, you will find Get Data into Sheet. Now the sidebar opened, I add a new query, name it Bing, and then I specify the target sheet name, which is in my case, sheet 1. And now I can specify the data source here. In your case, you'll only have Bing. Now we select the accounts. In case you do not select an account, all the accounts connected will be pulled. Select the date range for the data you want to pull, and then the fields. So you set date, source, and so on. Now, what we also want to add, in my case, to show you how to customize the query, is ad group. So we add the ad group here. Then we can apply filters in case we want to get a subset of the data, which I'm going to skip today. And then we can also refresh it automatically. So if I set that to 1 hour, that there will be an hourly fetch of fresh data to keep your Bing Ads data up to date. Now we load data. And now my Bing Ads data is available in these Google Sheets, and I can use it for further processing and to create my reports. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.